Hey there guys, welcome back to another ration review, and today we have a Korean ration. Now this is from South Korea and it is a civilian ration. It's very similar to the actual military Korean rations, which just come in these pouches. I believe they do have an MRE type of ration, but I'm not sure if they make them anymore or what happened with that. So this is as close as I've gotten to an actual Korean ration. I've done a couple of videos on this ration, just a different flavor, and yeah, they're pretty good. Nothing wrong with them. So we'll check this one out and then we'll give it a try. All right, let's have a close look at it. And it comes in this nice thick resealable pouch. I like the olive drab color. Got some Korean writing or South Korean writing. I believe those are the instructions, how much water you need and ingredients. And you also have some pictures just in case you can't read it. Of course, you can't microwave this since it looks like it's metallic. And we have an expiration date of 9/18 of 2018, which, you know, that was a few months ago, but I'm sure everything is still in good shape. And we have a website. We have datrex.co.kr. Not sure if it's the same company as those survival bars, those compressed food bars. Yeah, if you want to check it out, it's right there. But yeah, all we need is some hot water and that's it. So, and we'll also prepare a cup of coffee. And let's get our water. And we'll bring that water to a boil. And in the meantime, let's check out the ration. Check that out. We have some flavor packets, and here's one. And we have a sesame oil packet. And there's the freeze-dried stuff. We have some rice, what appears to be some type of meat, maybe some vegetables like carrots, maybe onions or garlic. So all right, so I did some translating, and this is a spice packet, of course, and this particular meal is actually a meat flavor. Not sure what kind of meat. It is almost impossible to get some kind of translation. The packaging is extremely shiny, and we'll just call it maybe beef or something like that. All right, so our water is boiling. Let's turn it off. We'll cut the heat. There we go. All right, so as you can see, we have a fill line. Let's just add the water. There we go. And for our coffee, let's give this a quick stir. All right, so the instructions say to close it up, and after we add the flavor packets. Then I guess we'll give it about, I don't know, 10-15 minutes. In the meantime, let's prepare the coffee. All right, let's prepare the coffee. We have some MRE coffee and should be decent. Got some sugar. I might as well add both. Let's add the creamer. All right, let's give it a stir. All right, we'll come back in about 10 minutes and then we'll try out the stuff. All right, it's been about 15 minutes, maybe more, maybe less. Let's see what we got. And there it is. Yeah, it smells a little bit like soy. Some might guess this is some type of soy product. This is not beef or any type of meat. Let's get on a bowl. Oh yeah. All right, let's get the flavor packets in there. We have the sesame seed oil. And the spice packet. That smells like spices. All right, let's give it a stir. Let's mix it up a bit. Now that smells really good. Smells like onions, smells like garlic. And I just want to give a huge shout out to my buddy Link out there in Australia. He actually sent me this a while back and I'm finally getting around to doing it. So thanks a lot, buddy. Appreciate it. And looks like everything is nicely mixed. Let's eat. Let's see what we got. All right, so we have that fake soy product. We have some carrots, looks like some cabbage. Yeah, I'm not sure what else. Let's grab a bite. Let's make sure we get some of that soy product. And there it is. All right, here we go. It almost has that fried rice flavor to it. A very strong soy flavor. You can definitely taste the carrots. Yeah, this is actually really good. It's like fried rice, except this is a little bit sweeter and a lot spicier. Overall, great texture, great flavor. Let's have a drink of our coffee. Yeah, you really can't go wrong with MRE coffee. It's excellent. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. This was the South Korean individual military civilian ration from 2018. And yeah, it was pretty decent. I really enjoyed it. If you're into spicy foods and you want something from South Korea, this is the ration for you. These are a little bit pricey. I think they're about 10 bucks for a meal. So if you don't mind spending 10 bucks, I would say go ahead and get it. It was a tiny bit on the bland side. Could have used just a bit more flavor, a little bit of salt, but overall, you know, it's a solid ration. So I'd give it a 7.5 out of 10. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, thank you guys for watching. See you soon.